T2 refining popular the issue debate. But they say somebody go and hit the numbers for them. So now if issue debate.
Hey Jason. Hey.
This M.2. M.2. So it could be this thing. Or less than a Bluetooth.
No, chips I can say.
Or less than usually all of them get antenna.
But what is this?
Yeah, but this could be Bluetooth or some other thing where they hear this thing. They hear antenna.
How do you reset the board? How do you reset the board? It just come.
Finish.
How do you reset the board?
You can. Okay. Battery.
How do you reset the board?
The body, if we just disable especially the battery, and then sometimes if you don't get a Siemens battery, it will be the main battery where the power arm, you understand? Then you disable the RAM, then if you get jumper, but this one, you see, I open here and I don't see any.
If you get a jumper,
Jumper
got like some switch.
Be like switch.
That's small, even as a small button that you can just click.
Some of them, if you don't know, I will show you some minute. I will show you some. Gentleman screw.